Are strawberries good for diabetes? A question that has been on the minds of many. Today, we delve into the world of strawberries and unearth their potential benefits for those grappling with diabetes. Recent scientific studies have highlighted the nutritional benefits of strawberries. These vibrant red fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. A single cup of strawberries contains around 50 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than half of the daily recommended intake. But what does this mean for diabetes? Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shed some light on this. According to the study, the antioxidants in strawberries can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that play a significant role in the development of diabetes. Furthermore, strawberries have a low glycemic index. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food can raise your blood sugar levels. Foods with a low glycemic index, like strawberries, are digested more slowly. This means they don't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for those managing diabetes. But it's not just about the low glycemic index. Strawberries also contain a decent amount of dietary fiber. 1 cup of strawberries offers about 3 grams of fiber. Consuming adequate fiber can slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and prevent spikes in blood glucose and insulin levels. In the realm of science, nothing is absolute. While strawberries show promising benefits for diabetes management, it's essential to remember that they're part of a bigger picture. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, and appropriate medication, if prescribed, remain the cornerstones of diabetes management. To recap, strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, have a low glycemic index, and are a good source of dietary fiber. These attributes make them a potentially beneficial addition to a diabetic diet. But remember, strawberries aren't a magic bullet. They should be incorporated into an overall healthy and balanced diet. So, the next time you're at the grocery store and reach for that punnet of strawberries, you're not just picking a delicious fruit. You're choosing a food that could potentially help manage blood sugar levels and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to different types of foods. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. And that wraps up our discussion. Strawberries, with their rich nutritional profile, could be a sweet addition to a diabetic diet, but they are just one piece of the larger diabetes management puzzle. Stay informed, eat healthily, and take care.